Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and this could be a quick video here, just to show that not every project's successful. I had a quick job to do for my daughter to try and fix her Joy-Cons on her Nintendo Switch, their controller drift, and I bought a kit with everything you need in it to do the job, and the kit was absolutely fantastic. But I failed on both Joy-Cons, and I've had to buy replacements. I'm going to show you why. Because the failures are the same on both of them. It's a pain in the ass. But let me show you what happened. Okay, these are the two failed ones. The plan was to not only change the analog sticks. This is one of the examples of the replacements, but also to change the cases as well. So started on this one, got everything changed to purple, and what I didn't realise is, let me see if I can get some points on something. To remove this is the runs the power. So that's the main link that runs the power, so you can charge off the switch, and it slots into there. Now that's not a problem, except it just slots in, so you have to pull it out. And the video I saw said it had like a connector, like let's have a quick look. Like it's gonna be one of these, which is, and this one, and that one, which this folds up and you pull the ribbon connector out. When it comes to this one, that doesn't happen. So I just pulled it out and it came out okay. Unfortunately, I didn't realise I had damaged the ribbon. And we've done a number of times now, and you can see there's the end of it. So this one's knackered. It wouldn't. The problem I've got is if that doesn't connect, it can't charge. If you can't charge it, you can't link it. So this becomes redundant. When I did the other one that broke, I was testing that and seeing, does this have a lock on it? And I literally put a bit of pressure on the top of it, and the top of it snapped off, which meant this one was knackered. So all in all, I've had to replace both of them with replacements because of the same thing on both of them. The fact that all the other ribbon connectors have these little locking pins in, so you lift it up, you can pull it out, put it in, push that down, it locks it. Apart from the two that run all the power and the connection to the actual docking station. So yeah, so a bit of a failure on my part, and just the fact that why wouldn't Nintendo put a proper lock mechanism onto the ribbon? They have to pull that one out, and that's the one that controls all the power. So yeah, so we've gone from a replacement analog stick kit, which was about £7. It was really reasonable, and it came with all the screwdrivers, and the spudger to open the case, and it's now cost about £23 each for second-hand, good quality ones. So we've ordered both of them now. Honestly, if I didn't think I could have done that, then would have bought those anyway, because the controller drift was just shocking on it. So it's not as if we wouldn't have done it. It's just that I was hoping to, do it at a low cost and change everything else for my daughter because she wanted to. But yeah, quick video of the fact that not everything goes to plan in the workshop, and in this instance, didn't go to plan at all on both of them. So there you go, quick video. Bit knocked off about it, but we move on. Hopefully, when I do my next electronic project, which is Walkmans, I won't have the same problem. On the plus side, I did get to use this. On the plus side, I did get to use my magnifiers, which I've not used before. But this was a perfect opportunity to use them because I'm dealing with very small stuff. So, a bit of a silver lining to the cloud. Just need to put these back together again, just so we can hold them for spare parts if need be. So, yeah, not everything goes to plan in the workshop. I just thought it'd be worth just showing that it's not all sunshine and rainbows on projects. So, thanks for watching. Cheers.